Okay, so this is a Amazon Vine review of the KCEVE HDMI switch. Well, not HDMI switch. I mean, it's two computer. Two computer, one monitor switch. Like 2 girls, 1 cup deal. But anyways, I'm gonna put this on the side. Right now, that's for another review. Yeah. But put these drives somewhere else. Down here. Yeah. I mean, it's very simple to do. Yeah. You know, I just chuck shit everywhere. Yeah. This one is going to be PC1. And you will need the PC1. Take that out because I don't want this hooked up to the network right now. See, the other one I have, it run. Oh yeah, see, it's actually working without the power. So I mean, it's pretty cool that it actually works without the fucking power, you know? It's weird how that does that. I don't understand it, but, you know. But we find out today as to how it works. This one goes here. This will be for the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi in my eye. You'll unplug this. Plug that right there. Okay, we will put this right here. This is the C cable for the power. They only give you one HDMI cord. That's kind of lame. I mean, yeah, it's better than nothing like the other one, but sorry for bumping into that. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Come on, fatty. Stretch. See, this is my problem with wires all the fucking time. Shit. This is the main HDMI from the monitor, obviously. That goes into PC1. Yeah. This will go PC1. Yep, PC1 right here. Okay. Come on, hand. Come on. Oh, seriously, come on. Come on, hand. Really? Oh, seriously. Stop being a pain in my ass. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need to find another HDMI cable. Son of a bitch. Okay, pause this for now. Okay, found a HDMI cable for right now. Long enough. for it. Ugh. Long enough for the Raspberry Pi. Just to test this out. I'll have to find one later. Come on. Okay. So that's hooked up. Yeah, no, this is jank, but whatever. What am I doing? Power for this. Here we go. Okay, so adjust this. Oops. I have a screen. Okay, PC1, AMD. Power that one up first. Hopefully. Alrighty, and we do need the power. I'm assuming this is operator error. Yeah. Okay, come on. Here, let's just unplug this. Let's get one to work for now. Come on, there we go. Alright, let's just get one to work. Yeah. Piece of one over here. This one over here. This is the monitor HDMI. So plug it in. Come on, get in the hole. There we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay. Cool. And it works without the power, too. Alright, so, let's now hook this one up to the Pi. Yeah, let's do this. Get in there. Okay, let's Pi on. Nope. Come on, work. Alright, we got power to the Pi. Okay, let's try this. Please work. Maybe we do need the... Nope. Okay, there it goes. Okay. It's booting. It's booting. We got victory. Sorry for keep bumping into the tripod. I'm new at this, so... Come on. Come on. There we go. Okie dokie. Let me grab my mouse. So I know that the least peripherals work. Yeah. Whatever. It's never dull. See, this is how I do shit. This is how I roll. Logitech G Hero mouse. The front USB. Oh, crap, didn't do that. There we go. Yeah, don't care about dynamic lighting right now, but it's powered on. And we got movement. Okay. Now let's switch to the Raspberry Pi. And we got movement. Of course, I don't have my keyboard hooked up, but I don't care, but you can switch between Linux and Windows if we want to real quick. So yeah, I say if we... hold on. Let me... do this up. This was provided free for review through Amazon Vine program. This is the seller right here. I'm actually kind of liking these guys, ain't gonna lie. You know, I got them free for review. But yeah, it's $49.99. I'd say it's definitely worth it if you need this kind of setup and, you know, just looking to pick one up. But this was free for review, so. But anyways, if you need one of these, definitely get it. And the fact that you can use it without hooking up the power source, and it just runs out the HDMI cables, I mean, that's worth it by itself, so. But excuse the chaos mess, but yeah. To computers, coffee, and chaos, and watch me be a dumbass. But anyways, we're gonna rise into the top. Toodles!